Hey, David Fortier, Firearms News Magazine, and we are at SARCO, and I'm with Charlie Steen, the founder of this famous company. And some history here, isn't there? I wonder if you could tell us a little bit about this.
I love the story of this because it goes back like 60 years now. This is the first batch of drawers that I bought to put stuff in at Sarco, and it was at the sale or closeout of a card store. I think I remember that they even have had cards in all the drawers, and there's a great variety of stuff here. We're going from miscellaneous butt plates to Boston submachine guns,
German 243 parts, Marlin parts, Tokarev rifle parts, Winchester Model 90 parts. There's everything here, but you have everything.
I like to think that we do. We still have stuff that we bought when we bought out Norman's Navy probably 30 years ago, and we still have drawers that we haven't emptied from that buyout. There's just never enough time to get into all the goodies that we acquire. That's my pleasure at this point after 16 years in business, is finding things to buy and also the engagement of trying to put deals together.
Because you're always making a deal, aren't you?
Too many. Keeps me busy day and night.
And you're actually our oldest, longest advertiser, SARCO is, for Firearms
I
News
think so.
Magazine.
Yeah, I've looked back into Shotgun News was in the 70s, I believe. And those who haven't had ads in there at the time, they're no longer with us either through the business having gone out or possibly through the passing of the owner. I've been trying to find a couple issues of the Shotgun News from back in the early 60s, but I haven't been able to. If anybody happens to have that, I sure would love to hear from them. Our first ad, I think, was a column by 4 inches, as I recall. But it was just within that year, I think, that we went to a page or two. It's been a pleasant trip. Lots of fun.
And I tell you what, I started reading Shotgun News when I was about 11 years old, and the first thing I always did was flip to the SARCO ads, and I would just go through it, and it was like an amazing hodgepodge of anything that the imagination could come across. Cavalry lance, as well as Fargo chests, MiG cockpits, all kinds of gun parts and things like that.
It's interesting. We now sell an item that we call a pallet full, and for $1,000 somebody can buy a pallet full of anything we own, and this gets filled mostly by Dave as he's gathering stuff. He just doesn't want to bother to put it away. My famous comment on this one is that 60 years ago I would have bought that same pallet full and been delighted to have it.
So keep an eye out for the next issue of Firearms News Magazine and check out SARCO's next ad.